Okay, so this is the stuff I have, and today I show you how to make a word program. You have to name it to Ort. First of all, you have to get the cursor. If you want the cursor to look something like a cursor like this, you should change it to that, except I want it to be a circle, so I'm gonna get rid of fill. I'm gonna set outline here, go up, and so if you want it to look like this, then do this, and then you have to put this to, you put the circle so that it matches up. The circle has to match up with this cross in the middle, and so when start click forever, go to mouse pointer, and which means it will stay at your mouse. And the mistake everyone uses is that they do not align this with the thing, and so it will be farther. And so if you align it with the center thing, then they'll follow it perfectly. And then once you got that code down, you have to go to extensions and get pen. And then once right click, you could do something strange. So the way you can do is when holded, or you could say when holded, and so when the sprite clicked, you could try doing this where you take a brush and do white, and so you could do that as well, and so it will follow you when the sprite click, because then you'll see it lights up. When the sprite click, you could think and they'll think and so you could do, say, draw something, and then it says draw something, and so once you do that, just click, you go pen down. Okay, and then the pen down, you could set pen color to purple, and so you start drawing purple. If you want it to be something else, just change the color, and then you could do it like that. Then once you got this done, you could say press, for example, space to get rid of the pen up. And so when you click space, pen is up. And so if you click this again, then pen will go back down. And then it will go back down. Except if you want it to be more effective, then just put it in a different order. And so then you will be able to draw something immediately. Next thing is pen color. Oh yeah, also when the start click, you have to erase everything. And so you could also make something else, like for example a color or a size. And so you could make a size called size, create a variable, and then turn it to the slider mode. And then when start clicked, forever set pen size to, instead of 1, do size. And so when you drag it bigger, then it turns big. And drag smaller, then it turns small. And so next thing you could do is to create a color changing tool, except this doesn't work well usually. So if you press space, then you could try that out, except in this case you should use a space. So when space key press, change color by 10. So you press it and then you could draw something, except you should use the right arrow because we've already did it. So then we're gonna do this, and now you could change the color. So you have rainbow pen. You can draw in different shades now, and then so you can also create a thing called color, and then we're gonna add the color to 1. When start click, set color to 1, and so when left arrow pressed, then you will be changing the pen color. And so you have 1, and then you'll be changing it by color, so then you can get the different colors. And so next you could do slider, except this doesn't work well by the way. So you could try set pen color to color. And so try that out. If you try it out, then it might actually work for you, except for me it does not work because the thing is not tells you how to do it exactly, except you could try it out on your own. And so today I'm making this. By the way, I changed the color, so now I could draw something weird. Da-na-na-na-na. Whoops. Da-na-na-na-na. Na-na-na-na-na. I'm gonna go to my color changing thingy. Yay, yay, yay. Okay, bye bye. Ooh, look at this. You could change the size using arrow keys. And so you could try this and it will be very weird looking. You could make weird things on here. See? Okay.